Hello students, I am Dr. Roma from BDS Institute of English. Today I am going to discuss these prediction topics for you. ये हमारे prediction topics writing task 2 के हैं. After this I will be telling you task 1 also. Task 1 के जो prediction topics हैं, they are related to the topics that is from your templates. जो बच्चों ने online templates लिए हुए हैं उनको उसमें से भी मिल जाएंगे. ऑनलाइन कोर्स में भी हैं ये, और हमारे ऑफलाइन क्लासेस वाले बच्चों के पास ये टॉपिक इन अ फॉर्म ऑफ नोट्स भी हैं. सो दे आर गोइंग टू हेल्प यू एंड आई विल जस्ट रिमाइंड यू, आई विल गिव अ वेरी जेंटल रिमाइंडर कि ये टॉपिक्स आप पढ़ के चले जाना, बट डोंट टेक इट एज अ श्योरिटी. इट इज़ क्लोज टू श्योरिटी, इट्स नियर टू श्योरिटी. And the first question I'm going to discuss here with you that is question number 1. It is related with science and technology. काफ़ी टाइम हो गया ये क्वेश्चन नहीं आया. साइंस और टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ कुछ भी क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. That the technology is making the life more comfortable. We are comfortable, or our forefathers were comfortable. Do you think in future the technology trend is going to increase? Some people believe that technology is having more disadvantages than advantages, or it can be in any other form. अगर आप बुक भी खोलोगे तो आपको 20 topics related to technology मिल जाएंगे. Now one thing I would like to clear you, the topic related to science and technology, keep it into your mind कि इस topic में कुछ भी negativities नहीं हैं. Technology always has its positivities. You have to discuss about the positive points of technology. अगर आप टेक्नोलॉजी की डिसएडवांटेजेस डिस्कस कर रहे हो, दैट मीन्स यू आर डिस्करेजिंग टेक्नोलॉजी, एंड टेक्नोलॉजी हैज़ नो डिसएडवांटेज. एक छोटी सी चीज़ माइंड में रखना, टेक्नोलॉजी का मिस यूज इज़ द ओनली डिसएडवांटेज. इसकी प्रॉपर यूसेजेस इज़ एन एडवांटेज. अगर आपको क्वेश्चन बहुत ट्विस्टेड फॉर्म में आता है, समझ में नहीं आता, तो देख लेना कि अगर वो साइंस की बात कर रहा है तो इट हैज़ टू बी द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी. This is the first question, you have to keep it into mind. And the second question is question number 4. It is again from the templates. This is related to water shortage. It can be shortage of any of the resources. किसी भी resource की shortage हो सकती है ये. It can be water shortage, electric shortage, electricity shortage, or it can be coal, petroleum, anything. But whenever there is a shortage, the first thing that you have to come up with is reasons. What are the reasons? Reasons for shortage. Shortage of natural resources or shortage of human resources. Shortage का एक ही reason बनता है, prime reason. This I'll just discuss it very short with you, and you can read it from your online courses or from your books and templates, the materials you have. Shortage is only going to be related, that is, it is overpopulation and imbalance of population. जहाँ पर पॉपुलेशन का इम्बैलेंस होगा वहाँ पर शॉर्टेज होगी, whether it is human or whether it is natural. Then another topic is question number 7. It is related to family. The structure of family is changing, joint to nuclear, or what is the future of the family? Parents, they are living alone. Children above 18, they don't want to live with their parents. Preferably single unit of family. You have to discuss about the reasons. The students, those who are with me in the institute, they must be knowing that this is a question we have done it initially in C1 batch, and in templates you'll find this question, online you'll find the question, and books you'll find the question. The only thing is you have to discuss the reasons. And one thing I'll make it very clear to you, don't discuss the reasons that the routine is busy. इसमें बैंड स्कोर गिर जाएगा आपका. Try to discuss the proper reasons that we have mentioned and that is already there in the paper. Then another topic you come related to education. Education can be digital, education can be traditional, education can be online, it can be group study, class participation, any form. अगर आपको 2-3 techniques of education आती हैं, don't techniques, pick up the different techniques, combination of techniques. That is the best way to get the score in education. Then come on to question number 11. This is related to advertisement. It can be any of the advertisements. Its trend is increasing. Reasons for advertisement. Advertisement enhances the sales of the product. People, they are more influenced by the advertisements. Nowadays, social media is coming up with advertisement. Children are affected by advertisement or misleading advertisements. and some of the advertisement related to junk food should not be in the colleges, schools or canteens. ये advertisement का topic लेके चलना. It is a topic again with the solution you have and it is related to economics. ये question थोड़ा important है. Then the most expected one is environmental problem. It can be anything. Environmental problem, if the word is there, this indicates that environmental problem means pollution. Types of pollution, global warming, reasons for pollution. एक चीज माइंड में रखना, pollution under any condition is not good. Pollution कैसी भी हो, pollution is bad. और pollution who is going to take care? Government or public, government or individual, government or organization. कोई भी word अगर आपको आ जाता है तो pollution is always taken care with a group. Group के साथ ये होती है government provides the resources, individual utilize the resources and organization makes it sure that they are implemented. Is it clear? Now the last topic is I would prefer, this is related to law. Law can be anything. Law changes human behavior. Law is required to civilize the society. Strict implementation of law is important for the upcoming upgradation of the society. तो overall law, crime, punishment इसके ऊपर थोड़ा ध्यान दे देना. Then jobs के ऊपर topic आ सकते हैं. It can be private, government or people they prefer home jobs or it is working from home, telecommuting and communication industry. It is the last topic. Communication industry is the upcoming industry. Transportation industry is the most upcoming industry. ये 6-7 topics हैं जिसको आप ध्यान से पढ़ लेना. And I really wish you good luck for your exam. Stay safe. God bless you. Thank you.